Ham sandwich is easy to prepare. It is good for breakfast and also great for an easy dinner. This ham sandwich is for 4 servings. The ingredients are 4 slices of honey glazed ham, butter, mayonnaise, some potato egg salad. This is optional. I have linked the recipe in the description box. Chili sauce. This is optional. 1 loaf of sandwich bread, salad, cucumber, and tomato slice. First, put some butter on both sides of the bread. Next, put some potato egg salad on one side. Place the ham on the other side. Add cucumber slices on the egg potato salad. Spread some mayonnaise on the cucumber. And the chili sauce on top of the ham. Add a slice of tomato on the cucumber. Fold the lettuce into half and place it on top of the ham. Alright, that's all for the sandwich fillings. Use a knife to flip it on the other piece and cut it into half. I have cut it into a triangle. You can cut it as preferred. It can be served as a whole sandwich too. Place the sandwich on the serving platter. Continue to make the rest of the sandwiches. Alright, here are the 4 towers of delicious sandwiches ready for dinner. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.